Hi there. Do you manage an independent dealership or workshop? Are you looking to streamline and centralize all the data your business has to process every day? Would you benefit from using the most modern tools for better control?
The Eagle has landed.
Do you need a single integrated solution to help you reduce the mountains of duplication in your business? Are you looking for something simple, easy to use, that supports and complements all of your team's daily activities? Do you need a solution that's affordable and offers exceptional value for money? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you've come to the right place. Welcome to VMG Dealership and Workshop Management Software. At VMG, we develop the software and provide the services that helps you invest more time on what's most important to you. We offer a wide range of affordable, very easy to use, feature-rich products that focus on the three primary areas of your business. With VMG, you can rest assured that your admin, accounting, advertising, and lead management needs are professionally cared for through our modern software solutions. You can also choose from a wide range of services that complement your specific needs, giving you even greater value for money. With VMG, there's always one predictable, cost-effective monthly amount, unlimited users per branch, and personal one-on-one training, both remotely and on-site. We also deliver integrations with SA's best industry role players and service providers, constantly updated software, and as always, VMG's legendary, world-class and personal user support. At VMG Software, we only have one question we need to have answered. How can we help you? To find out more about what we can do for you, book a no-obligation demo with us today.